So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Then search for Sucuri. The first one is what we are looking for, which is 800K plus active installations. Let's install it and then activate it. Now go to Sucuri Security and select Dashboard. Here first we have WordPress Integrity, then we have Audit Logs which says that the plugin is activated. Next we have iframes, so now we have Site Check Timeout Error. Then go to Links, and then Scripts. Next we have Firewall, WAF, here first we have Firewall Settings, for this we need Firewall API key, then we have Audit Logs, next is IP Access, here you can add IP to the block list, then Clear Cache, click on this Clear Cache button to clear it. Then go to Last Logins, here we have all users, admin, logged in users, which is admin only with last activity, registered and IP address. Then we have failed logins which is empty. Now go back to Dashboard. So this is all about Sucuri plugin. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 100. Installing WordFence Security plugin. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to install WordFence Security plugin, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.